The morning of our rafting trip. We are at the Montana Raft Company. Bus is pulling out. I am fitted with my life jacket. And all the dry bags and gear. Here's Mike's inflatable waterproof bag. I think he's the only rafting person today who brought their own.
Alright, we're gonna get Wendy.
Aiden,
everyone grab
Charlie.
your waters.
Mike's getting water. Raft guides Federico, Steve, and Keith, and Emily getting us set up to go on the river. Dry bags packed, and 3 other families joining us. And surprise, surprise, one from Buffalo Grove.
Yeah.
One from Connecticut.
I just really want to make sure you.
And one from a beautiful river. It's the Flathead River in Montana, the middle fork of the Flathead. Hey, Rosie. Hey, Rosie. Bro, tell me what you think of this kayaking experience that you're about to have.
What do you think, Rosie?
Hello?
I think it was going to be fun before I did it, but now I feel like it's going to splash me in the face when we go over a current. So it's going to be cold.
All right.
I think.
Keith took him a while to get smart, but he's got the long sleeve in the sun, which is actually a better call.
Plus, if he runs into a good job interview, he's ready to go.
Yeah, let's be professional.
This is his office.
That's right.
We're in his office.
Federico,
Look at Rosie.
give us your good thought process on taking out 2 of the rafters.
Well, it's not so hard. You just need skills, you know, and a big beer belly. You see?
Doing good there. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
How about that one?
Let me get from the side. Oh, nice. Hey, you know what?
Rosie!
When are you due?
What?
When's the baby coming?
The baby? When he starts actually rocking and rolling.
So here we are, deep in the Glacier National Park area. Here's the campsite. Everyone's tents set up in the fields of this excellent rafting trip. And let's go examine the gear setup. We went with sort of an L-shaped situation, taking advantage of both the trees blocking the morning sunrise as well as the proximity to the river for some evening white noise. We took our packs and I made a nice floor mat area so that we have the entrances to the tents facing each other, and it seems to maximize our space. The poker area, all the kids are playing Texas Hold'em. Food prep.
You told me I was going to bring shorts. No, I wasn't bringing shorts for anywhere. I was having people wear what they were going to wear.
And there's Woody Harrelson, our rafting guide.
And at night they were going to wear.
That we have those.
I brought.
I guess Tava's were the first one.
There's our boat.
The chairs. Well, as you can see, our river rafting overnighter has been hit with some rain. Let's be quiet for a minute so we can listen. We're cozy in our tents.
We certainly are. Although, oh, look at, there's a leak over there.
Ooh, we better get the leak. It's breakfast time. Char?
What?
How you doing, doll?
Good.
All right.
Suspiciously quiet.